is Miss Teague, and I'm a children's librarian with the San Antonio Public Library. I have some fun experiments to do with you today using pennies. Now for this first experiment, make sure that you aren't wearing any jewelry, no watches or rings, your hands are bare. And for all of the experiments, remember that we are dealing with money, which can be a little bit dirty. So make sure that you are frequently washing your hands with hot water and soap after you're touching the pennies. So this first activity that I would like to do with you is called cleaning the penny. And I have right here a penny that is not quite so shiny. Abe has seen some better days. I would like to clean him off and make him look nice and shiny again. Maybe more like this one that's a little bit less brown. So I'm going to need a bowl with soapy water. I put quarter cup of water and just a little bit of soap. Doesn't matter how much you put in though. You can't have too much of one or the other. My next bowl, vinegar and salt. Maybe the same quarter cup of vinegar and a little sprinkle of salt. Can't have too much or too little. And then I have a bowl of just plain water. Also, towel, always there when I need to clean up a little mess or wipe something off. So let's see if we can clean the dirt off this penny, if it is dirt. Let's see. So I'm going to swish him around in my soap and water, and I'll rinse him off just a little. And I'll dry him and I'll look, and he looks exactly the same. The reason that this is happening is that Abe isn't dirty because he has dirt on him or he was painted a different color. He changed colors because of something called oxidation. And this is what happens when the copper of a penny mixes with oxygen. It turns your bright, shiny pennies into dull, dark brown pennies. So we can't use a physical reaction like washing something with soap and water to get it clean. We need a chemical reaction. And we're going to use the acid in the vinegar with the salt to see if we can clean up this penny. Now, the longer that you put it in here, the cleaner it will be. I'm just going to do it for a couple seconds to show you right now. And we'll kind of get the process started. But let me rinse him off. And ta-da! You can see that he is starting to get cleaner. I say clean, it's not exactly dirt, it's more the oxidation. But the longer I kept him in there, or keep him in there, he's going to get shinier and shinier. Something else that I'd love for you to do after this experiment is to put another dirty penny into your vinegar and salt. And then instead of rinsing it off, set it out on a paper towel. You should see a reaction start to happen almost immediately, but sometimes it can take a couple of days. A hint to what's going to happen is found in the Statue of Liberty. Think of the Statue of Liberty. It's made of copper. It has oxygen hitting it all the time, all around it, and salt water from the ocean. So I hope that you try that at home. It's a lot of fun to watch what chemical reaction that will provide. So next up, I'd like to talk about surface tension and pennies. We're going to see how many drops of water we can put on a penny. I'm going to need a dropper and a penny and some water. And we're going to zoom in so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Here I am with my penny and my dropper. And let's find out how many drops of water can fit on the penny. It seems like it should only be a couple because the penny is so small, but let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh, 23 drops. Wow, 23 drops. I did not think that many drops would fit on a penny the very first time I did this experiment. I've actually done it before where almost 40 drops of water stayed on the penny before they dropped off. Now, why this happens is because of surface tension. The oxygen molecules really like each other and like to cling tight. So they do on the penny until the water gets to be too heavy and plop, it all comes off. Now our next experiment is going to be using paper and pennies. So grab that and we'll be right back. Hi, our final activity today with pennies is seeing how many pennies my little paper bridge can hold. So I need 2 stacks of books about the same size and then 1 piece of cardstock. Cardstock's a little sturdier, so I think it might make a better bridge. So let's see how many pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not looking too bad. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Uh-oh, only 16 pennies. Although that's not too bad, I'm not sure this is a bridge that I want to be walking on. So I found if you take your cardstock and you fold it a different way than just flat, it actually can hold some more pennies. So I made an accordion out of my paper, and I'm going to set it here and make a different kind of bridge. Looks a little different. And I'm going to drop my pennies into these 2 little valleys that my accordion has made. And let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, what? 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. And I'm going to stop there. I only have a couple more pennies left. I bet if I had more, I could stack a whole lot more. I wonder how many. So at home, you should definitely try doing this with a piece of cardstock and books and try folding it different ways. Maybe if you made a tinier accordion, it could hold even more coins. Try using different coins than pennies, quarters, nickels, dimes. See what happens. Experiment and have fun with your pennies. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. If you'd like to find more information about activities and books, go to mysapl.org or you can call 210-207-2500.